Hi, hope you enjoyed yesterday's having that lesson off. Today we are in the double period, finishing off exercise 5A. Now, as we are working through exercise, you might find that we are actually doing a lot of revision of work that we learned in algebra back in term one. And that's why I need to alert you to the fact that in week 10, we're going to do a major test on this topic, but in doing so, today's lesson will highlight the skills that we need to have done in algebra, but unfortunately, due to the coronavirus, we never got it. So technically, we'll be doing a cumulative test come week 10 during the double. So today we are going to lesson 2 of exercise 5A. Now, this exercise is very supposed to be very quick because you are bringing skills from the previous topic. And for this, I've got several videos. So you can take your notes from PowerPoint, which I'll be using in the video presentations. So you can also do it from here. And I want you to first of all watch this one here. Now we'll do trinomials, quadratics, sorry, difference of perfect squares and some other variation. So that because it's getting too long, I had to split it up, and the second part we'll do the section on completing the square. One of the things that we did in algebra. And then again, looking at some of the questions for you to do. If you still need more assistance, in other words, what I present isn't quite clear, don't forget you have the Khan Academy, where they can do some more trinomials, and of course the completing of the squares as well. So it's a case of using this double period to watch the 4 videos, take some notes, and do exercise 5A. And the fifth technique of getting the x-intercept, of course, is the quadratic formula. And here we have a bit of fun. Enjoy this little rap tune called the Quad Solve song. The Quad Song. All right, have a good double lesson. And don't forget, if you have any problems, please email me. Have a good one.